Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Pat Skeets here. I decided today to show you how to use the new offset feature in Cricut Design Space. So I picked out a few images, and I thought maybe I could make a banner for a Disney trip or something for the front page, or for any Disney page or something. So what I've done is I picked out some Mickey images, and then I hit shapes, and there's all these new shapes in Design Space now for free. So this is the first time I've seen them. So I clicked on this one. I picked this square with inverted corners. Look at them all. Very nice. Arrows. Great. Well, there's even a border. I think I'll click on that too. Okay, so here's the shape that I picked to make our banner. I have this at 100%. I'm going to shrink it to 75 so I have room for what I might use here. So right now I'm making this, there we go, 11 inches, and it's 7. I think I'm going to shrink it to 6 inches. I don't want, whoops, 11 by 6. There we go. All right, so let's put, I'm going to hit arrange, send to the back, and I'm going to color this. Let's make it this blue color. Now, I think it should have a frame around it. So first off, I'm going to click on it and then click offset. This is the great new feature. Now I just clicked offset, and already you can see all around the edge a blue line that has created a shadow for this. So I'm going to hit apply. Now I have a frame. I can group, they're two separate layers right now, so I can group them, hit group, and now I am going to hit offset again. Well, first, before I do that, let me just cancel. I'm going to change this border. The offset always comes up in black, so I'm going to change this border to gold. And now I'm going to click on the item, hit offset, and it creates another shadow. This is exactly the same size as the previous one because it's in one on the same project. So I'll hit apply, and there we have it. Now I'm going to have to group these so I can move this easily. All right. So, I'm going to hit arrange, send to the back so that all my images can now come forward. So I can just use whatever images I want on this. Mickey title. I can create whatever I want. There we go. And now I'm thinking, all right, so I'm just doing, I decided that I want this to have a shadow as well. Oh, it has one right here. There. I want it all lined and outlined in black. And this one too. If it didn't have one, I could just hit the offset button and do it. I guess I'm not using this border. Maybe I will. I'm going to rotate it 90, enter. Now I'm going to flip it vertical and put this here. Oh, I flipped it, so it's going to be on the opposite side. we'll make that black. And then we'll move Mickey on top. And this one. Alright, so I'm not going to use these. There you go. So now you know how to use the offset button. You can also do the same thing with text. If I pick a font, April Skies, this is called. Okay. There we have this. Now I can click on this and hit offset. It's created an offset. I'll make it, you know what, I'm going to cancel that one. And I'm going to make this larger so you can see it. Okay. I'm going to change the letter spacing. Now I'm going to click offset and apply. I'm going to change that type to red. Now it has the black shadow, you can see it, but I'm going down to hit contour because I don't like these holes in the H. So I'm going to hide all contours. Close it, there, and there, just group that, and there we have it. It's a wonderful feature, so I hope this is helpful to some of you. Thanks for watching.